Hi everyone, today I will show you what is M777 howitzer, how it is used and what does it do. Welcome to Quick Review. The M777 howitzer is a towed 155mm artillery piece. It is used by the ground forces of Australia, Canada, India, Saudi Arabia, Ukraine and the United States. It made its combat debut in the war in Afghanistan. With a weight of 4,200 kilograms or 9,300 pounds, the M777 is 41% lighter than the 7,154 kilograms or 15,772 pounds M198 howitzer it replaces. Much of the weight reduction is due to the extensive use of titanium. The gun barrel serves as the towing bar, with the connecting ring forged as a projection of the muzzle brake. The M777 can be transported by helicopter slingload, transporter aircraft such as the Lockheed C-130 Hercules, or towed by air-braked vehicles weighing over 2.5 tons or 5,500 pounds, such as the FMTV and MTVR medium vehicles. The minimal gun crew required is 5, compared to a previous 9, although the normal crew is 8, minimal emergency crew rate of fire is decreased. The M777 may be combined with the M982 Excalibur GPS-guided munition, which allows accurate fire at a range of up to 40 kilometers or 25 miles. This almost doubles the area covered by a single battery to about 1,250 square kilometers or 480 square miles. The M777 succeeded the M198 howitzer in the United States Marine Corps and United States Army in 2005. In 2014, the U.S. military began fielding several upgrades to its M777 howitzers, including new liquid crystal display units, software updates, improved power systems, and muzzle sensors for onboard ballistic computing. Future upgrades include a touchscreen chief section display, a new mission system computer, and a digital radio. 100 howitzers of which were donated by the United States along with 200,000 155mm artillery rounds, 4 howitzers by Canada, and 6 howitzers by Australia, following the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine, and the M982 Excalibur precision-guided munitions have also been provided. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.